In this video, I'll show you how to make bold text on Facebook so your posts and comments stand out. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and log into your account if you haven't already. Now tap on the What's on Your Mind box if you want to create a new post, or open any post and tap the comment section if you want to add bold text in a comment. Type the text you want to post as you normally would. Since Facebook does not include a built-in bold text button, you'll need to use a simple text formatting tool. To do this, open your phone's web browser and search for Facebook Bold Text Generator. Open any of the free tools from the search results. In the text box on that website, type or paste the text you want to make bold. The tool will automatically generate different bold text styles. Scroll through the results and copy the bold style you like the most. Now go back to the Facebook app, paste the bold text into your post or comment box, and then tap Post or Send. Your text will now appear bold and more noticeable in the feed or comment section. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tips and tutorials.